Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with M1 Finance, full guide step by step clearly. To register with M1 Finance, start by navigating to the M1 Finance website. Once the homepage loads, locate and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to select between an individual account or a joint account. Choose the account type that best fits your needs. Next, fill out the required personal information fields. Enter your first name and last name as per official identification. Provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure the password meets security requirements. After that, input your phone number for account verification purposes. Click Continue to move to the next step. You will now be asked to provide your residential address. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Next, indicate your date of birth and your social security number. This information helps M1 Finance verify your identity. Once you've entered all necessary details, review them for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Continue again. Now, you will need to answer a few questions regarding your investment experience. Provide truthful answers to help tailor your investment options. After completing this section, proceed to read and accept the terms and conditions. It is important to review these terms carefully. Once you accept, click the box to confirm your agreement. You may receive an email verification link shortly after. Check your inbox and follow the link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the M1 Finance site to log in. Enter your email and password to access your new account. Now you are ready to fund your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account. Choose the funding amount that best meets your investment goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.